So helo a unuhima. Helo e kahi.
Mahea oe no hone. Where are you living now?
Okay. Good. Okay. Renala.
Ma Kalihi wao e noho ana. I am living in Kalihi.
Good. So I am living in Kalihi. I ole. Kalihi is where I was living. Yeah. Ina Kalihi is where I'm going to live. Pea kamea polole no ka. Kalihi is where I'm going to live. Ma Kalihi ana wao e nohoa. Yeah. So kamea ma'amau. Okay. Kalele kulana. That eana o kamea ma'amau. Happening now. I ole kamea ma'amau. Koa I hala. Barbara, pea ka helo e kolu. Lo aya oi. Yeah. Helo e kolu.
Makali hi oia I noho ai.
Ai, se pea ka onuhi ana.
In Kalihi is where he lived.
He lived. Mai kai Kali is where he completed. Live. Mai kai Rob, pea ka helo e ha.
No ke aha e noho ana lawa ma o. Why are they living over there?
Yeah, why living over there? Ano hema kea, ya o ka polole no ke aha lawa e noho ana ma o. Yeah, kala mai ka hema. Rob, pea ka helo e lima.
Me ke ola e noho ai nā haumana. With ke ola the students live.
Okay, yeah. And then hemea ma'amau, yeah. It's with Keola the students live. Or it's with Keola the students should live or shall live. Polole na me elua, yeah. Ke kai pea ka helu e ono.
Me vai ana o e noho ai nā haumana. Wait, me vai ana e noho ai nā haumana.
Yeah, okay.
With whom are the students going to be sitting with?
Yeah, sitting, staying with, living with, yeah. So with whom? Me vai ana. With whom will it be in the future? Who's it going to be? Me vai ana. Ai. Kanoe. Yeah, who are they living with? With whom are they living with? Yeah. We went home kilau hoaloha and Mikeia.
Hiku?
Evalu.
Oh, Evalu. With them, chemo guys went.
Yeah, so it's with, again, it's with them. Yeah, it's with they two that we. Yeah, so again, kalele, place the emphasis, it's with them. Okay, manavalea.
Ahea o kimo ma e hele ai. When should kimo guys go?
Okay, yeah, when should chemo guys go? When do chemo guys go? When shall they go? When would they go? Yeah, Monroe.
Ahea e hoi ai nā kumui ka hokele. Ole mau popo hokele.
Hotel, oi. So, peka ahea.
Where? Returning.
When?
Oh, when? Returning. When will they return? When will the teachers return to the hotel?
Okay, yeah. When should the teachers return? When will the commitment and when shall? When will they return? Again, kela ahea when, yeah, habitual are incomplete. Yeah, okay. Konani.
Ina hea la ko I hoi ai ka hokele. When did they come to the hotel?
Yeah, so when did they actually return? Yeah, when did they come back to the hotel? Yeah. Ina hea completed. Yeah, we come here happened. Ina hea. Kaena. Okay, yeah, kalama, yeah.
Pehea I eha ai ko lima. How did you hurt your hand?
So in English, yeah, how did you hurt your hand? In Hawaiian, how was your hand hurt? Yeah, mapupuya kako, yeah. Maklala haul ka agent. How did you hurt your hand? In Hawaiian, how was your hand hurt? Ano ekila? How did you hurt your hand? Oh, I want to smash them. Your agency. Yeah. So aka oi kamia ma'amao maklala haole. Ano how was your hand hurt? In a kakao ia, maka Microsoft Word, yeah, o ka underlines, yeah, the passive voice. But o ka mana o Hawaii, pehea e hai ko lima, no, pehea I e hai ko lima. Yeah. How was your hand hurt versus how did you hurt your hand? So, mapapia kako, maka onuhi ane ko haole, ho ha like ko haole. Is in English is what they're going to say, in agentive language, okay? Yeah. Umikumakolu.
With the knife, their hand was hurt.
His hand was
Hurted.
not just hurt, but Eha Maine just got sore, just got hurt, recently hurt. Yeah, Eha and Kila Maine recently occurred. Yeah, okay. Kalamay. Umikumakolu, umikumaha. Jason, piheka helu umikumaha akona.
Ikapahi eha ai kolima. With a knife. Your hand was hurt from the knife.
Piheka ehai.
Was should hurt.
Right, good. Yeah, should
Your
hurt. Yes,
hand
would-
should be
would
hurt with the knife.
All right, so kila ikapai analikeme is from the knife. You're pointing the cause. It's from the knife. It's by way of the knife. It's with the knife that your hand should or would become hurt. Yeah. In English, might be it's with the knife that you will or you should hurt your hand. Yeah. So kila ikapahi, yeah, it's that causative. Yeah, but he kalele kulana kaya.
Because of?
He cannot because of, yeah? Because of, due to. He cannot make, in a makeup pahi, o yeka tu. But mekamana o, yeah, wahana kik, wa, ho eha kikai kanakayaya with a tu, makeup pahi. Ika pahi, malia paha, o yeka mea, yeah, with his own hand, yeah. Yeah, ika pahi, yeah. Kilohana, peaka helu umikuma lima.
I nehi nei lako I hia moiai ma ko'uhale. It was yesterday that they slept at my house.
Maikai, yeah, it was yesterday, meaning not today, it was yesterday. Ay, maikai. Ahu komuhana, pea e kale, umikumaono e kale.
Pehea ana e hoi ai nā kumu I ka hokele. How will the teacher return to the hotel?
Okay, yeah. So how is it, again, in the future, how will they return? How are they going to return?
How are they going to return?
Yeah, so in the future, for sure. Not how should they return, but how is it going to happen? How will they return?
How will they return?
Kiaha, kukukane, pea kahelu umi kuma hiku.
Ma ke ka'ao hua mako e ho'i ana. Mako e ho'i ana. It was on the bus that we will return.
Kokoke, that we will return, but
we had returned. We're returning. We're returning.
We're returning. In the process, we're returning. Was returning, and he cannot is returning now. Kikahi, yeah. Kami ang maamaw, may future. Yeah, ay kailangan imua. It was on the bus that we were returning.
We're returning.
Going to the process. Ay, may kay.
In the past.
Mauna ala pea ka helu umikuma valu.
Ma ke ka'a ohua hea oko I ho'i ai. Which bus did...
Oko.
Wait. Oh, which bus did you three return?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's on which bus did you guys return on? In English, you might use return on top of, yeah? On which bus did you guys return? It happened, may kai.
Which bus did you?
May kai.
Iho
Kiai. Kaya ka helu umi kumaiva e kiai.
E ka poa luau e ho'i ai ma ke ka'a ohua. On Tuesday, I return on the bus, habitual.
So on Tuesday, I return. Yeah, on Tuesdays. In English, at time, makalolo haole. Yeah, on Tuesdays, like habitual. I return the bus. Yeah, say ano plural makalolo haole. Yeah, make mana oheg habitual. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's elele ana kako. Pia ka helu Iwa kalua kumakahi. Iwa kalua kumakahi e lena ala. Peka iwa kalua kumakahi.
No ke aha o ko e ha'alele nei ia Kauai. Why are you guys going to Kauai?
So why are you guys e ha'alele nei? Leaving when? Right now. So why are you leaving Kauai happening right now? Yeah. No kia e ha'alele nei. Yeah. Ha'alele nei. Now you notice here ha'alele he hamani. Ha'alele he hamani. When you ha'alele something. O ye kalauka. No lela o ye kamea ma'ama o ye ha'alele. Likime. So kela mai from, alehe from Maori keia. Yeah, leave kahului or leave from, to depart from kahului. Kahalui. Yeah. Yeah. Ha'alele ya kahului. Yeah. Aole ha'alele mai kahului. Ai mapo ya kako, yeah. Ha'alele ya kahului. Aole ha'alele mai kahului. Yeah. And o kamea ma'amau ha'alele ya kahului no kihe. So kila destination o yeka no. Yeah. Ha'alele I ka mokupuni o Maui no ka mokupuni o Kauai. Yeah. So he ano piri kila ha'alele and kila destination he no. Yeah. Wa ha'alele I keia papa no ka hali aina. Yeah, ha'alele I keia papa no ka hali aina. Okay, pea Barbara, pea ka helu Iwa kalua kumalua. Iwa kalua kumalua.
Let's see. Let's see what.
Iwa kalua kumalua.
No kahana mako I ha'alele ai ia Kauai. It is for work. They left from Kauai.
So it's for work that
they left.
Ali day but ka mako.
Them.
We left Kauai. Ai, mai kai, yeah. It's again the answer. Why? For what purpose? For what thing? No kiaha, no kahana. No kiao ane kola Hawaii. No ka noho ana me na makua. Yeah, kalame. Oh, kalame. Sorry.
Could you say, wasn't it for work that we three left Kauai?
Yeah, but wasn't it heka kepo'o? Aole. You see, hiki no, yeah. Aole no ka hana. Aole paha no ka. See, that said, wasn't it for that reason? Yeah. Yeah, so makolo hale he me ma'amo kela. Wasn't it for work? Yeah. Aole. Kalari kulana, aole fan. Okay. Ra, peka helu iwa kalua kumakolu. Iwa kalua kumakolu Rob.
Was the day that she died. Ikeila oya I makeai.
Okay. Ikeila, makeila oya I makeai. Yeah, makeila. Ikeila I makeai. Yeah, ikeila oya I makeai. Okay. Robin, peka helu iwa kalua kumaha. Iwa kalua kumaha.
In what month did she die? I kamahina ehia e makeana.
Kokoke ikamahina. Peka. So heka mana ka ehia. You want a number. So ikamahina hea. Yeah. Mapika olelo mai kako ikamahina hea. Yeah. So in ehia, you're asking for a number. Hea, which one? Alright. So ikamahina hea. She, oya, and died. Did die. I make ai. Maika I make ai. Happened. She died. I halai. Maika I haule ai. Maika. Mapuya kako ya wapau kahana. Dead or not dead? Dead. I make ai. Kekai. Peka helu pekia iwa kalua kumaono. Iwa kalua kumaono.
How is Keola paid?
Ko koke. Pea ka pehea. Okay, pehea. Pea ka hao. Ka pehea. Oye ka hao. Ai, pehea. Ai. Pehea o ke ola. E uku nei. E ho'oka'a nei. Yeah? And kila is paying, meaning happening now in the project. Pea ka, paid. I ukuai. How does ke ola pay in general? E ukuai. Ai, mai kai. Ke kanoi, pea ka helu iwakalua kumavalu. Iwakalua kumavalu. Yeah, yeah.
Why was Keola paying? No keaha e uku ai o Keola.
Ko koke was paying. No keaha o Keola. E ukuana was paying. Paid e ukuai. Mapupia kako is paying e ukune. Was paying e ukuana. Will be paying ana e ukuai. Yeah. Should pay e ukuai. So inana kako ya kila mau painu, yeah, kila mau painu, yeah. Is, yeah. How is kila is paying? Peo kila e uku. No, ali kila. Iwa kalua kuma valu, yeah. I was like, oh, kanu ano e kila zeki. We heva ka wana no. Iwakalua kumavalu, ai, iwakalua kumavalu, yeah. No keha o keola e ukuana, ai. Aloha, pea ka helu iwakalua kumaiwa.
What street are they working? Ma keala nui hea lako e hanane.
Maikai, ma keala nui hea lako e hanane. Ke hanane kia manawa, maikai. Manawa lea, pea ka kanakolu kumalua, kanakolu kumalua, kanakolu kumalua.
With whom do they work? Me vai lako e hanai.
Me kai, me vai lako e hanai, yeah? He mea ma'ama habitual, with whom do they work? Like every day. With whom were they working? E hanana. How about worked with? I hanai. Yeah. Should work with. E hanai. Is going to be working with. Ana e hanai. Yeah, mai pina ana e hanai kale kulana. Mai kai. Manro, pea ke kanakolu kumahiku. Pea ke kanakolu kumahiku.
Where do the kids eat? Mahea?
Mm-hmm.
Mahea? Ona keiki e ai.
Okay, mahea e ai na keiki mahopi, eh? Mahea e ai na e ai mea ma'amau habitual, okay. Ko nani pea ka kanakolu kumavalu.
Where were the kids eating? Mahea e ayana na keiki.
Okay, mahea e ayana na keiki, yeah? Na keiki mahopi, good. Yeah, lele ana kako, lele. Ka ena, pea ka kanahakumalua, pea kanahakumalua.
McDonald's is where the kids should eat. Ma McDonald's e ai na keiki.
Okay, ma McDonald's e ai na keiki, e ai he mea ma'ama habitual, should, would. Ma McDonald's, mai kai. Pehea hi'i haba, pehea kanahakumaha.
It is because of the price. Oh, sorry. It's because of the price that the kids eat at McDonald's. Pay a little price.
Yeah, okay. Kumuku'ai.
No ke kumuku'ai. Ke kumu ana keiki ai ma McDonald's.
Ko koke loa, yes. Ale pono kera kwe kumu.
Oh, okay.
So, no ai ole. Heki kai ole lo ea e. because of. So alehiki ke I no kumi alehe aano. Mamuli o. Yeah, mamuli o hikino, yeah. No ke kumuku ai ole mamuli o ke kumuku ai. Yeah, aole hiki kela I no kumi aole he aano. Uku hamani. Yeah, remember the causative has to have a ano. Yeah, no lela. Mamuli o no ke kumuku ai. Eat. Hemia ma'amao, habitual. E ai. Who's going to eat? Na keki ma McDonald's. Ai. No ke kumuku ai. Mamuli o ke kumuku ai. E ai na keki ma McDonald's. Ai. Yeah. So, when likimekiao, why do you come to school? Ano likimekamao? What is the reason you come to school? Yeah. Ano like. Jason, yakona, peka helu kanaha kumahiku, Jason. Kanaha kumahiku.
With what should the food be prepared? With what? It's not mevai.
Okay, kokoke. Yeah, so mevai is with whom? Peka with what?
Ikaaha? Yeah. Ikeaha?
Mekeaha.
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 Mekeaha. Makakao. Ai.
Makakawai.
Makakawai. Makakawai. Kamia ai.
Okay, kamia ai. Yeah. Mekiaha. Makakawai kamia ai. Hikino. He aano. So, kela prepared elua manao. Yeah. Makaukau. He aano. Pea ina he passive. To be prepared. Mekiaha ho'oma kaukau iai kamia ai. Yeah, anoliki kamanao. With what shall the food be into the state of being prepared? Aiole to be prepared. Yeah, nole mopu ya kako, yeah. Ina ole ya ma kaukau vau, ole mai ma kaukau vau. Yeah, I am what? I'm ready. Ho'oma kaukau ia vau. I was what? I'm ready, but I was made ready. Like homa kaukau iavau ko anake. That there is a agency, yeah, to be made prepared. Yeah, so ma kaukau to be ready. Homa kaukau ia to be made ready. Ano like kamanao. But that homa kaukau ia or kamanao nui, that there was some kind of action that was performed, yeah, or yeah, performed, yeah, hana ia, yeah, okay. Kilohana peka helu kanaha kumavalu.
It is with much love that the food is prepared. No kealoha nui. He ho'omakau iai kamea ai.
Yeah, can make it up? It is with much love.
Me kealoha.
So not for love, but with love. Ai, me kealoha nui. Ai, maike me kealoha nui. Kilohana. Ai, maike. Yeah. So oipaka oko, yeah. No kealo is for the purpose of love. Me ki aloha, it's because of, no ki aloha nui, it's for the purpose of this great love, yeah? For the honor of. Me ki aloha nui, it's with, as like a tool, with what manner? Yeah, me ki aloha nui. Yeah, so, ano like, aka, ale like loa, yeah? Ma oahu komohana. Pea Kanalima kale, Kanalima.
It was from. It was from Kimo that I got the letter. It was from Kimo. I just.
Yeah, sticky Kia.
Yeah.
Yaka from Kimo.
Ya Kimo?
Okay, ya Kimo or your tu Kimo. Yaka from Kimo. Maya. Maya Kimo.
Maya Kimo mai.
Got. That got.
Got it already.
Loa.
Aole aka.
I loa ka. I loa ai ka.
Iloa ai.
Ka leka.
Ka leka.
Ya'o. Ya. Kalamai.
You.
Ya'o. Oh, ya'oe.
Ow.
Ya'oe.
Ya'o.
Oh, kalamai, ya'o. Kalamai. Kalamai, hui kau kia mo ma kalamai. Kanalima. Ai, kalamai. Mayakimo. Yeah, Mayakimo mai.
Mayakimo mai.
Ilo ai. Happened already. Kaleka. Yeah, ya'o. Yeah, no le mopia kako ke la loa. Heha ka mea I loa. O ka leka ka mea I loa. Yeah, the letter is the piko. Yeah, it's a location. Yeah, so aole Mayakimo vao I loa ai. Mopia kako, yeah? Pap. Aole Mayakimo vao. Mayakimo I loa ai ka leka.
Ya'o.
Mai kai.
I didn't put the ya'o.
Kanalima kumakahi kia hakane. Why should Kimo get the letter? Oh yeah, Maikai kia. Why should Kimo get the letter?
No kiaha e loai o Kimo Yakimo. No.
Yakimo.
No kiaha e loai Yakimo I kaleka.
Kokoke lo, aoli I kaleka.
Oh,
kaleka. Malino. Yeah. Kaleka Maikai. Yeah, no le no kiaha e loai kaleka Yakimo ai ole Yakimo kaleka Maikai. No kiaha e loai Yakimo kaleka.
No kiaha e loai.
And kamea mauna ala pe Kanalima kumalua. On what date will I get the letter? On what date will I get the letter?
Ikala aha ehia. Oh, ikala ehia. Ehia.
Ikala ehia. Right.
Will eloa ana.
Ikala ehia ana.
Ikala ehia ana. Ikala ehia ana. On what date will I get?
Yep.
Ikala ehia ana. So I get. Will I get? E loa ai. Kaleka ya'u.
Maikai loa. Ika la ehia. Yeah, and future ikala ehia ana. E loa ai. Ya'u kaleka aiole kaleka ya'u. Maikai. Woo, lo ihi ke lahana. Mahalo nuia. But oye ke kalele kulana. Yeah. Where, when, why, how. Yeah. Why did you come to school? How did you come to school? When did you come to school? Where do you go to school? Yeah. Where, when, why, how. Kalele kulana. Yeah. Mai puina. Elua po'o. Elua makapainu. Mana mea pao kalele kulana. Elua makapainu. Yeah. Iai. Yeah. I akune. Okay. I heleai. I hele akune. E heleana. Ehele nei. Ehele ai. Ana ehele ai. Good, my puina. Yeah, ehiku makapainu. Yeah. Okay, Maikai. Maikai loka hana.